5 класс, английский язык. Празднование. Домашнее задание. Страница 97. English. Spotlight 5. Celebrations. Homework page 97. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. You look wonderful today. So do you. You look wonderful today. So do you. That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. I'm glad you like it. That's a wonderful color on you. Thanks a lot. I'm very glad you like it. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 97. 97. Exercise number 4. Letter A. Look at the highlighted words in the text. Which is a verb? Noun. Посмотрите на выделенные в тексте, страница 96, слова. Какие из них глаголы, а какие существительные? The answer. First harvest, a noun. Second harvest, a verb. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 4, letter B. Use your dictionary to mark the words below. V, verb, and noun, or B, both. Then make sentences with the words marked B. Используйте словарь, чтобы определить, к какой части речи принадлежат данные ниже слова. Глагол, существительное или глагол и существительное вместе. The answer. Summer and water. B. Please water the plants when I go on holiday. Can I have a glass of water, please? Light. B. It's cold. Let's light a fire. It's getting dark. Can you turn the light on? 5. Don't let him fire that gun. The cat is sitting in front of the warm fire. Paint B. Miss, can we paint a picture? I want some red paint, please. Street N. Play B. She wants to play tennis. Hamlet is a play by Shakespeare. Dress B. That dress really suits you. The toddler is not able to dress himself yet. Watch B. She bought me a new watch for my birthday. I don't watch television very much. Cook B. He's a very good cook. I want to cook a nice meal. We must do exercise number 5, speaking. You have a radio show. Choose a celebration from the text and make notes. Present it to the class. Record your service. У вас есть радиошоу. Выберите праздник из текста и сделайте подсказки. Представьте праздник классу, запишите себя. The answer. Hello and welcome to World Fiesta. Today we are looking at the harvest festivals. Chuseok is a popular festival in Korea. On this day, children dress up and people make sweet rice cakes with fresh fruit. Boys and girls, do exercise number 6, letter A. Read the box below. Прочитайте текст. Исчисляемые существительные, те, которые можно сосчитать. For example, apple, apples. Неисчисляемые существительные, те, которые мы не можем сосчитать. For example, milk. Exercise number 6, letter B. Complete with a, an, or some. Then ask and answer as in the example. Закончите фразы правильно, употребляя an или some. Can I have an apple? Yes, you can. The answer. Can I have some rice? Yes, you can. Can I have some tea? Yes, you can. Can I have an apple? Yes, you can. Can I have some potatoes? Yes, you can. Can I have some carrots? Yes, you can. Can I have a biscuit? Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 8. Listen and repeat. Слушай и повторяй. Sing, song, king, ring. Uncle, linke, tinke. Sing, thinke. Repeat. thing, wrong, bang, sing, ng, k, drink, bank, banker. We must do exercise number 9. Writing a paragraph about a celebration. Think of a celebration in your country. Collect information from the internet, then write a short paragraph about it. Write. Задумайте празднования в своей стране. Соберите информацию из интернета и напишите небольшой текст о празднике. Напишите название фестиваля, время года, что во время него делают люди, что едят. Each year, on the 31st of December, we see the old year off and the new year in. This holiday is considered to be a family holiday. People decorate their houses and usually have a fir tree which stands in the corner of the room. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. So blue in the sky, even my name is so clear. Butterfly, lower the trees, many places to rest. My wings are open and I am the best. Wonderful dance, look at me once, and don't forget, climb in the bed. Wonderful dance, look at me once, and don't forget, climb in the